I am Pratibha from GM University EC Department 4 This is a non-inverting amplifier circuit using the OP07 op-amp. Op-amp is used to amplify the input signal. We have used to register R1 as 1 kΩ and R2 2 kΩ. V1 is a sine wave signal source. V2 and V3 are a power supplies for the op-amp. Vin as the input signal. Vout as the output signal. We have given input as a 0 volt average and 2 volt peak amplitude and 1 kHz frequency. This signal is applied to non-inverting input and op-amp. By the amplification factor of the non-inverting amplifier, the output will be 3 times the input signal. Since the output is 2 volt sine wave and the output will be a 6 volt sine wave as shown in the waveform. Now I am explaining inverting amplifier circuit using the OP07 op-amp. R1 1k ohm resistor between input and inverting terminal. R2 2k ohm feedback resistor. V1 input voltage source DC or AC. V2 and V3 power supplies positive 15 volt and negative 15 volt for the op-amp. The input Vin is connected to inverting input, negative through resistor R1, non-inverting input positive connected to ground. The feedback resistor R2 connects the output back of the inverting input. The output Vout is taken from the output op-amp. The output will be twice the amplitude of the input inverted the phase.